Mike Davis, who's been very successfully running our academy programs for the last 4 or 5 years. We've brought him in to be manager in training, obviously with the guidance of Andy, who will obviously bring him up to the levels that we would want as a club.
We'll decide on team things together. I'll look at most of the coaching. Michael will be learning with me, bringing me through the system, helping me through everything, and in turn I'll try and mentor him, and we'll work together, hopefully to win the league this year and definitely to win the league next year.
You know, it's always a shock when you expect someone to leave at the end of the season and things happen. Obviously, you just don't expect really, and I'm going to take the opportunity and enjoy it. And obviously, a fantastic opportunity to work underneath someone like Andy, who's obviously been there and done that, and looking forward to the challenge.
Rob Williams i'r ysgol. Williams, digon o le. Chwilio am symudiad. Wel, mae honna wedi aneliad Wood. Mae Wood wedi curo i ddyn. Jake o'i flanau. Yn ddeheuig dros i ben. 19 munud ar seintiau newydd ar y blaen. Dros hanner awr o chwarae di bod yn neuadd y parc. Ysgol. Ysgol i Beck. Stephen Beck tu fas o fe. Mae Jamie Wood. O, mae'r ergyd yn curo Jago. Ail gol Wood. Mae fe sgoriodd Wood ddwywaith ar yr ofal yn gynharach y tymor. Ac mae'r 900 yma yn cael ei difyrru'r pnawn yma. Holmes. Carter i hwn. Gosod pwysau bach o anibendod yna. Cyfle i Jamie Wood. Wood yn creu y tro yma yn chwilio am Beck. Beck, o, mae di rwydo ar yr awr. Drydedd gol a'r glaw yn menu dim ar berfformiad y seintiau newydd. Rysgo. Eifion Jones. Ddim llwyddo i gael i gwaredu. Holden. Pas fach net i gyfeiriad Wood. Dyma gyfle i Wood gael ei drydedd. Nid y tro yna. Munud ola'r gêm. Luke Holden. O, dyna bas hyfryd yn agor y chwarae. Wood yw hwn. Oes na gyfle i gael y croesiad i mewn. Michael Wilde. Wilde yn dychwelyd o anaf yn selio'r fuddigoliaeth.
First and foremost, the win is the most important. You know, we need as many goals as we possibly can get. Obviously, just keep on the heels of Llanelli if they do slip up, because obviously goal difference obviously will be a factor. But yeah, no, it's not a bad start, to be honest.